Welcome back. Now, in response to the Telegraph story, the Obama administration, instead of biting the bullet, decided to hit back not just at the Telegraph, but the entire British media.
If I wanted to read a write-up today of how Manchester United fared last night in the Champions League Cup, I might open up a British newspaper. If I was looking for something that bordered on truthful news, I'm not entirely sure it would be the first stack of clips I picked up.
So, are you saying it is the report is completely false?
I would refer you very closely to the statement that DOD put out that the article is wrong and mischaracterizes the photos that are in question.
And you just state there are no such photos in the photographs that the president has chosen not to disclose.
As the statement says, none of the photographs in question depict the images described in the article. Again, I think if you do an even moderate Google search, you're not going to find many of these newspapers and truth within, say, 25 words of each other.
Wow. Well, that's just not cricket, is it? The British media just weren't going to take this lying down. And from the dignified response of The Guardian, all the way to the down and dirty, no-holds-barred blogs, the British were not amused. And with its credibility on the line, the Telegraph hit back, publishing an article saying that they had not mischaracterized the content of the photos, and that Taguba, in a talk with the Salon website, said that while he may not have seen the specific photos in the lawsuit, he confirmed that the images of rape and abuse were among, and I quote, hundreds of images he reviewed as an investigator of the abuse at the Abu Ghraib prison in Iraq. And as it turns out, the whole Bush-esque strategy of deny and attack may have been useless after all, as it turns out that some of the photos may already have been leaked. On Australian TV, no less. Of course, the Pentagon is now saying that those photos were old and not the ones in question. But spin it how you will, the fact remains that the photos are eventually going to make it out. And the Obama administration knows this. The real reason for Obama's backtracking is simply political timing. Obama is delivering what is being billed as a major speech to the Muslim world in Cairo. And nothing's going to take the bite out of your sound bites, as Obama's speech juxtaposed with images of Muslims being brutally tortured by American soldiers.